In theory, your customers know how to create their own video testimonials, but results may vary. But in practice, your customers need the entire process to be laid out step by step, and you need a platform that makes it easy to help them. What if there was a way to let customers record testimonials from their mobile device and collect other market research along the way? Introducing VideoPeel. What is VideoPeel? VideoPeel is the premier remote video capturing platform for businesses to capture, respond to, analyze and share videos from their customers. VideoPeel helps businesses 10x their amount of user-generated video content, so they can drive 20% plus conversions, traffic, satisfaction, and consumer insights. We're improving the way online marketing, research, and communications is done. Best for growing businesses seeking to better tell their story through authentic customer videos for video testimonials, video ads, voice of the customer, and video messages. Alternative to SurveyMonkey, Soglytics, Alchemer, and Jotform. Easily capture authentic video testimonials. Capture content instantly at the perfect moment to grow conversions, engagement, customer satisfaction, quality, accuracy, insights, and ROI. For testimonials, interviews, customer support, estimates, applications, surveys, etc., VideoPeel automates the entire customer video lifecycle. Easily request access to those that matter the most. Get permissions, custom privacy and permissions within your campaign. Capture, gather UGC and other crucial data with custom fields. Manage all your content in one centralized location. Publish, plug in content to your website or other apps like YouTube or Facebook. Analyze, track video performance to gain insight into what your users like. 6x content engagement, 7% conversion growth, 10x return on investment. Fully customize your request. Save time by quickly building campaigns that are specifically customized to your target audience. Start collecting video and image UGC instantly and save it for the right moment to share. Increase content and data from your audience. Pinpoint your viewers' needs by directly asking custom questions and receive their organic responses to empower you with better insights into your target audience, alongside your social proof, which can be published anywhere. Publish your content to grow engagement and trust. Quickly share or publish your UGC to any platform. Instantly install video carousels on your own website to benefit from the data you received, and showcase the best results for your products or services from your real customers. Trusted by over 4,000 companies to collect video testimonials with VideoPeel. The VideoPeel overall overview. VideoPeel helps you collect video testimonials from customers with mobile-friendly landing pages and custom prompts. With VideoPeel 2.0, you can access even more customization options and features than with the previous version. Fully customize your VideoPeel campaign landing pages with profiles, pictures, or video messages, along with customizable prompts to boost engagement. You can share the link with customers so they can record testimonials right from their smartphone or computer, no logins or downloads necessary. And you're not just limited to video reviews. You can also request written feedback from your favorite customers. You can send testimonial prompts via email, SMS, Messenger, and mobile to help your customers record their best take. VideoPeel lets you request unique customer information or market research, like their favorite publications or social media platforms. You can also collect photos, files, names, written responses, and email addresses to really flesh out customer testimonials. Generate automated thank you messages or send special gifts to show your appreciation for your customers and incentivize future testimonials. Once you've gathered everything you need from your customers, it's easy to manage it all from the brand new Media tab. You'll be able to search, sort, and tag all your content in the media library, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. VideoPeel will even automatically transcribe video testimonials, so your content is more searchable and user-friendly. Best of all, VideoPeel uses industry-standard encryption and protocols to protect customer data from getting into the wrong hands. Create your own privacy policy, along with terms and conditions, so customers know exactly how their videos will be used. You can also collect signatures right from the customer's mobile device if your business requires added security. Asking your customers to jump through hoops just to record a testimonial is a good way to lose a 5-star review. VideoPeel simplifies the entire process with mobile-friendly landing pages that collect customer testimonials and other info straight from their phones. Let your customers show you some love. So why are you late? Get lifetime access to VideoPeel today. VideoPeel plans and features. Deal terms and conditions. Lifetime access to VideoPeel. All future Pro Plan updates. You must redeem your code within 60 days of purchase. Stack unlimited codes. GDPR compliant. Available for new VideoPeel users and returning AppSumo purchasers. Previous AppSumo customers who purchase VideoPeel can buy more codes to increase their feature limits. Previous AppSumo customers will be grandfathered into the new feature limits. Each additional code stacked beyond Code 10 unlocks an additional 100 submissions per month. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. VideoPeel features included in all plans. Unlimited remote video collection campaigns. Image types include JPEG, HEIF, WEB, GIF, and PNG. Document types include Word, Excel, PDF, and TXT. Submission notifications. Automated transcriptions. Custom right management. Multi-user collaboration. Publish videos in dynamic plugins. Collect and download videos and attachments. Amazon syndication. Custom thank you page with calls to action. Tagging and filtering videos for easy use. Capture user lead info. Video hosting, transcoding, and encryption. Appsumo offers 3 pricing plans. Pricing number 1. Single plans. One-time purchase of $69. All features above included. 100 submissions per month. Unlimited users. Pricing number 2. Double plans. One-time purchase of $138. All features above included. 200 submissions per month. Unlimited users. Pricing number 3. Multiple plans. One-time purchase of $207. All features above included. 300 submissions per month. Unlimited users. Custom branding. So why are you late? Get VideoPeel Lifetime access today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.